Hey there, the team over at Humboldts Secret sent over their everything growing powder for me to try out. This is a great product because it can be used indoors and outdoors. It works for large trees, it works for plants, it works for houseplants. It can be applied as a powder, it can be applied as a liquid after being dissolved in water. Instructions on it are clearly printed on the front of the package for what needs to be used when. Inside the package, this is what it looks like. It comes with its own scoop, so there's no hunting down a scoop somewhere. The top of the bag is a zip top bag, so it can seal when it's not in use. For outdoor use on plants, it's 1 tablespoon per gallon of water. For trees and large trees, it's 2 tablespoons per gallon of water. For indoor plants, it's 1/4 teaspoon per gallon of water if they're being watered weekly, or 1/2 teaspoon per gallon of water if they're being watered every other week. Clear instructions, easy use. I like that it's for indoor and outdoor, one product. Guys, I hope this helps you decide on if Humboldts Secret is a good fertilizer for you.